Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The Frontier Museum places Monticello within a much larger regional story. Rather than isolating the town's history, the museum shows how settlement here fit into a broader pattern across southeast Utah. Exhibits trace how people arrived in this area, often following informal routes rather than established roads. Early movement depended on terrain, water access, and seasonal conditions. Settlement followed opportunity rather than being planned. The museum highlights how geography shaped development. High elevation, cold winters, and limited rainfall influenced everything from building design to food storage. Homes were constructed to retain heat. Supplies were stockpiled months in advance. The environment dictated behaviour. Transportation plays a key role in the story. Wagons, early vehicles, and later road improvements show how access slowly changed. The museum makes it clear that isolation was not temporary. For many years, Monticello remained far removed from major centres, reinforcing its dependence on local resources. Economic activity was modest and practical. The exhibit shows small-scale farming, livestock grazing, and local trade rather than industry. Wealth accumulation was rare. Stability mattered more than expansion. Cultural life also received attention. Music, schooling, and local events appear through photographs and personal items. These elements show how settlers maintained identity and routine even when conditions were difficult. What the museum communicates most clearly is scale. Monticello was never meant to be large or influential. It existed here because it could. The Frontier Museum captures that reality without exaggeration. By focusing on regional connection rather than isolated stories, the museum presents frontier life as part of a broader system, shaped by land, movement, and limitation. It offers a measured understanding of settlement that values context over drama and accuracy over nostalgia.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.